In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unarchive Substack. If you've ever archived a post and later realized you want it live again, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to bring it back, so your readers can find and enjoy it. First, sign into your Substack account using a desktop browser. While mobile can be handy for quick checks, the desktop view gives you the full set of publishing tools and makes it easier to manage individual posts. Make sure you are logged into the correct publication if you run more than one. Once you are in, head to your dashboard, then click on Posts. This is the central place where every post in your publication lives: published, drafts, and archived. Think of it as your control center for content. The Posts page helps you quickly see a post's title, status, and the actions available for it. Next, locate the post you want to unarchive in your list. If you have a lot of content, take a moment to scan by title or date. Some interfaces show status indicators, so look for anything marked as archived or hidden. If you remember a keyword from the title, searching within your browser can help you spot it faster. The key here is simply to identify the exact post you want visible again. When you've found it, look for the three dots, sometimes called the More Options menu. Next to that post, click those dots and choose Unpublish or Manage It to restore its visibility. Depending on Substack's current layout, the wording may vary slightly, but you are looking for the option that brings the post back into public view. If a small confirmation prompt appears, follow it through. This action tells Substack to make the post accessible on your publication, and if it was previously public, to place it where readers expect to find it. After making the change, give the page a moment to update. You should see the post's status reflect its restored visibility. If you have readers who rely on your home page or archive page to browse, the post should now reappear in those lists. If you don't see the change right away, a quick refresh can help. If anything looks different from what I've described, don't worry. Platforms update their interfaces from time to time, but the flow remains the same. Sign in on desktop. Open Posts from your dashboard. Find the archived item, and use the three dots menu to bring it back. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching and happy publishing.